I think the velocity of the move we saw in the last month is what really taken a lot of folks by surprise. We're down 25% in less than 30 days. And I think the issue is now it's no longer a supply issue. It's a demand issue as well, as Jackie alluded to. U.S. supply is continuing to go higher. We look to go out the year over 12 million barrels a day, which will eclipse the Saudis' capacity, even with their spare capacity. And we have DUCs in inventory at all-time highs at over 8,500. But we now have also a demand problem. And, I think OPEC report cited China demand slowing. We have anxiety over trade wars. Maybe that does or does not get resolved at the G20 meeting later this month. And a lot of people looking at the S&P operating earnings at peak growth for this quarter. So you've got some severe demand headwinds, and you overlay that to a dollar that's been very strong, rallying to the next Fed meeting, which is probably a lock on a rate hike. So you've got some severe headwinds going into the end of the year.
Roberto, how much do you think of the move is just being mispositioned? I mean, being long oil, short nat gas, covering those positions. And here we are now. I mean, we've got nat gas today up another 16%, and this after being up, 39% or so far this year. So has that unwound happened already? Is that pretty much done? Where are we?
I think a lot of it has happened. I think that certainly amplified the move. It wasn't the cause. I think if you look at the cause of the move, we have supply-demand equilibrium resetting. For nat gas, we had inventory 17% lighter than the 5-year average. We heating demand days up 55%. So those are the root causes. Was it amplified by potentially one or two or more large energy players, short nat gas, long crude? I think absolutely. And the last Commitment to Trader report showed that there was a real washout of all 6 major crude commodity contracts, and guys were literally just getting flushed out. So I think a lot of it has happened and certainly amplified the move. But again, it's hard to kind of really quantify what that is or not. But, that certainly played into the equation for sure.